Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you a very exciting update about my life. Yes, I am glad to share with you that my journey in finding the best brand, the best product for my face is finally over. Yeah, because I found the best brand and the best products for my face. Yep. And yes, as I have said, I'm going to share with you them, and at the same time I'm going to show you how I use two of them. Okay, so I have here the products. Okay, short background. So before, my close friends and my family, my close friends, they knew this one, that I do have problem with my face, especially with pimples, acne, oiliness, yeah, things like that. And it's really challenging for me to look for the best product that will work well. And I'm so glad that I found this brand and its products. So let me share with you. So I have this one. Okay, by the way, the brand's name is Nourish Max. This one, Nourish Max. Okay, from the word itself, I mean nourish. Okay, so I have here the niacinamide, the vitamin C plus B plus E ferulic serum, and the retinol. And also, last but not least, I'm using also the lip plumber. Okay, this is for my lips. Okay, I'm gonna share you this also. Okay, so yeah, so what are the benefits, or what happened to my face? What are the significant changes happened to my face because of these amazing products? Okay, so they made my face, first thing first, they made my face clearer. Yeah, clearer, brighter than ever. Yeah, as you notice. Okay, also they made my face pimple free. Yeah, pimple free and softer. So those are the main changes happened to my face. Okay, I'm really happy. Okay, so I started using them consistently last November because I believe I used them before. It's just I was not that consistent and I was not paying attention. Okay, I was not really paying attention. It's because I'm really busy with work. Honestly, I stopped vlogging. I mean uploading because I'm really busy with work. However, yeah, last November I noticed, wait, I need to take care of my face, and I'm super happy that I found Nourish Max. Okay, so how I use them. So after cleaning my face, okay, I am applying. So in the morning, okay, before going to work, I'm applying this one. I'm going to show you how I apply this later. So I'm applying this one, and then at night I'm using this every night. So technically this is in the morning, this is at night, and then this one is twice a week. Yeah. And this is for my lips. Okay, so short background also, before my lips are always dry. Yeah, and then I used to be, yeah, it's always dry, and then I easily get irritated, yeah, with toothpaste whatsoever. But after using this consistently, so yeah, the key is being consistent and trust the process. So yeah, my lips now, you see, softer and then healthier. I know it's healthier. It's healthier, super healthier. So okay, I'm going to show you how I use this one. So since it's morning, I'm going to apply this one. Okay, just to show you how. Okay, again, the So I do recommend you try this brand. Try its product. Okay, there's a lot of product from Nourish Max that will really help your skin problem. And just like what happened to me, who knows? Who knows? This is really, so yeah, you just put a simple amount. And look, I do have acne scars because I have told you before, I really suffer from like avalanche of pimples. So right now I'm praying. Yeah, once I go back to the Philippines, I need to work with those acne scars. But anyway, look at that. So that's how I put. Don't forget to clean your hands. Just a little. And massage it. Yeah. And look. So again, the name is Nourish Max. So you can visit their page, their website, and there's a lot. They do offer a lot of products that will really help your skin. So honestly, you might ask, where did I get the information about this product? So when I decided to really take care of my skin, what I did was, of course, I googled, I researched, I typed the best niacinamide product. The best product with niacinamide, and this gives me, that research gives me this. Yeah. No one told me. It's just I had a self research, and then yeah, when I googled, I said, wait, I need to see the best niacinamide product, and this is the number one. Yeah. When it comes to the price, it's not that costly. Yeah. It's affordable. I used to put more, but for someone, if you're starting to use this one, just like 5 drops. Yes, that's it. That's how I use this. Okay. Yeah. And I love the result, honestly. You try, okay? Try this one. Oh, it's broken. And this one. I fell in love with this. Yeah. My old lips super dry. Yeah. But right now it's very, very healthy. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Okay. So that's a little, that's a short update about me. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to buy. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, you don't forget to buy. Yeah, greatly recommended. Okay, and always take care. God bless. I miss you. I'm sorry for the. I'm sorry. This is my. I'm sorry I wasn't able to update you. I was really busy. Yep. So don't forget to share this video. Yeah. Thank you. So again, be safe. God bless. And what else? Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Thank you. I love you.